Hello guys, welcome to another video. This time around we're going to be doing shotguns instead of, like the last one. We did pistols and everything. So I prepared a huge amount of shotguns that we can use against all these forts. And these forts, so here's a warning, there's going to be a lot of blood because these are givable forts, so these guys are going to have a lot of blood. They can rip off limbs, everything. So do not watch this video if you have like a fear of seeing or get anxious whenever you see that kind of stuff. Click off if you don't want to see that. But if you're here, keep watching because there's gonna be a lot of good stuff. So anyway, here's the first shotgun. What this one's called? Sorry. Pump. That's exactly why click off if you have it. Like that. This one is Tac Shotgun from Fortnite. Anybody likes Fortnite out there? Little shell if you see it. No, I thought tacky samurai. Not pump. Next one is gonna be a one barrel gun. This only has one shell in it. So. Discord me. Yeah, definitely experienced a huge amount of gore. But that's no worse. Showcasing today, we're showcasing shotguns. But still, anyway, here's the next one. It's a smaller version of that one. What? Sorry, I didn't get the great here. But someday, this one I think is the one Bonelab that's normal. So, here it is. This one's also Fortnite. It's a rare shotgun. If you misunderstood. That's that. This is the trench rifle from World War II. World War II. Little shells. I like this thing. If anybody's wondering, this game is called Bonelab. Just to let you know, here is sometimes. This one looks like the last one, but it looks way more modern. this might be just a normal one from Bonelab. By the way, most of these are mods, so you're gonna have to download them to get them. But this one I think is the, one that you normally get. Duck hunt. It's based off. This is the Marshall. I'm not using this as well. Just like I'm gonna pile on it just a bit more. This is how it looks like. Misery. Saying that, but yeah. Chill for. I think talk this out. So this one is also like a stand of some sort. Nightfall. So that's pretty much it, except for these two. These two, I'll kill them right now. I'll just have to spawn two and get them. This one, classic. Shotgun. So it looks like right. Oh, this is Half-Life 2. This one. Oh, I like this one. I like the design on this one. I would like to have one of these in real life for hunting. Anyway, that's it for the shotguns, guys. If you want to see another video like this, like assault rifles or LMGs or anything, just like the video and subscribe. Maybe even turn on the notifications if you want to. But I'm not forcing you to do this. You don't have to like and subscribe. But if you want to, you can. If you want to support me, you can like and subscribe. If you want to be in a video, my name is is CT55 on Oculus. If you want to be in a video with me, or like any other game, because I do not have Fusion on Bonelab yet. So if you want to make another video, like a VR video, then that'd be. Anyway, if this video gets maybe 20 or 10 likes, I'll do an LMG and assault rifle video. Okay? Okay. See you guys. Actually, no. We could do also melee, blunt, and vehicles even. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.